Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm trying to drink some coffee. So a coffee bar. You can see my sound and some noise. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to add the header bar with user login or sign up button and the profile info. So let's get started. So I already opened the app in my Sublime text, and okay, so I will open it again and choose app. Just so we have two folders and as usually. So the first one is API for backend, and the app which is the React frontend. So today we are going to implement the header layout, header bar. So in the next video, we will add React to the application. But for now, I would like to add directly to the layout. So simply I want to add the top bar. Alright, that is top bar component. So we need to import the top bar. Right now we don't have any top bar. So and in component I will add new file. Let's call name top bar .js. So in toolbar.js, so now we can do import by toolbar from component. Alright, so with a folder component and toolbar.js, sorry, toolbar, just toolbar only. Alright, you can do that. Alright, so in toolbar I'm going to create a new React component by first thing we need to import React and component from React. Okay, so and equals default last, right? Toolbar Ep10 component, right? And we have a render function which is return layout. So simply I can return a div last name equal app toolbar. I do that. Alright. Div. Okay, so now we can do here is toolbar. This toolbar content. Now I'm save the file. Now we can see React app will automatically reload. Now you can see here is toolbar content. Cool. So now open new firebreak. You can see we have a toolbar, and so now I'm going to give a toolbar some of seed ads. The first one we need to do is the sack what we need to complete the app seed ads. Alright, app there's no LSC. Alright, LSC seed ads upload seed add seed ad. Right. Okay, so now we can modify seed ads. Alright, seed ad. This upload add seed ad. Which one we need to do? So we have app toolbar. So app copy the color, we can do that. And basically you can do background red. So for example, I want to do background red. And so you can see some of red background and with the red color in background. Right. And so you can do now inside variable I want to add some variable header height should be alright 50 pixels. What did I add? Alright, header height. Let's copy that, and so we already import variable so top of LC uploads LC that. So right now you can do right height, right, do header height. Now refresh that. Okay, so now you see header, right? It's has. Right now you can do. I want to header always fix as top. You can do. So we can do position equal fix, and you can width 100%, left 0 and top 0 and do that. So now you can see the header. Now we give us some Z in the dash bar. So 1, this for instance 2, or even I can do 1000. This is make sure the header is always and top. Now you can do it. So let's copy that and alright, background rest. So now I'm going to add some logo. Now you can do by basically I want to add an icon. So now let's get back to our toolbar component. We can do the last name equal up toolbar. Alright, so left div. So and we have a div last name equal up toolbar right, and do that. Okay, so this here is right content, and in the left side I want to do a alright, I will do is div last name, right, sign name, right, sign name. So I can push this, right, icon last name equal, right, this is icon we do. Now you can see in top, this icon should appear on the top. And so what a so after bar, so I want to give a color about white. Okay, so color white. Now you see that, and I want to do this. All right, after bar and up top bar inner. So now we can close that after bar inner. So we can copy this, right, copy that, and now we can give it the last name equal after bar inner inner. Okay, so do right. So after bar inner I want to give is mark width and the bar. Right, I can do that. Marking outer. Now you can see. Now I can see that. All you can do after bar inner, you can do 1000 pixel. Oh, right. So okay, so I can do that. So I can do mark width 1000 pixel. Alright, so we have a left side and right side. Now how we can give it left side, and I'm going to use a flick board. So I'm going to do flick. Now you can see the right content should appear. Okay, so okay, copy up to bar left and to bar right. So up to bar right. So I want to do this. I up to bar right. You can do flick ground equal 1. Alright. And so we can take a light race. Now the right content should be appear on the right. Okay, so so now I'm going to give her sign name. It's font size bigger. Alright, sign name in the up top bar and give this sign name with the font size to about 5 pixel. Cool. Right, 5 pixel and give it line height should equal to header height. Now as you can see, this is bad. Cool, much better. Or even I can give it is bigger, or 30 pixel. Okay, so we do that. And right. Okay, so we do post our cursor pointer. And the next video I will just link this. When we click on this, should be back to the first screen. And if we are on the page, okay, so let's keep that. And the right content. So basically, I want to do this. All right. So add some content, right? Right content. We add the right content. So right content, I want to do this. We have the last name curve. Alright, so actually you can do user profile. Alright, div. Alright, so we have a div last name equal user profile picture. Right. Alright, user profile. So we can do image. Alright. So we need to I want to get some user picture, right? So we can do that. So I want to copy this, right? Copy this URL, and we can change it later. But for now, I want to do this picture as an image. So now we give it some theming. Okay, user profile, and I want to copy user profile picture. User sign name, and it should be under our after bar. So we do with alright, user profile picture image with alright, give it 30 for tagging. Alright, 30, and border radius and 50%. Now you can see it should be there, and now you can see the top header equal height. So but is alright, so margin top. So we actually can do margin top. It's about 10 pixel. 10 pixel because it has height only visual, but the header equal 50. So you can see like you can pitch height minus for 30 and divide to half. Okay, so now it's better. Okay, so on the right hand with right side we do have an icon. So now I want to add some link right here. User sign in, sign out. Now we can do I want to add sign in button or sign out button right here. Okay, so actually you can do file and then you can do go. Alright. Alright, user file menu. We'll do that. Div. Oh, okay, actually we can kill list. Right, sorry. And so now we have menu, right, sign in. Okay, so we have a sign in. So we need to sign in should be align with the profile picture. So in up top bar right, so we need add some CSS for up top bar right. Up top bar right. Where is the up top bar right? Up top bar inner, up top bar. Alright, it's here. Right, this display. Oh no, should do this. Up top bar and up top bar right. Div. Up top bar right inner. So now in up top bar right inner. So let's copy that. Do up top bar right inner. Okay, display should be Flickr. Now you can see the sign in button should be right inner. Okay, so actually I want to give a top bar left. It should be give Flickr. And so now in the up top bar left and Flickr is 1. So now you can see it's button better. And so in profile menu, we need to give it. Okay, so now we do picture profile up top bar, and so I want to give this as top bar. So user profile menu, okay, margin yellow, right, padding yellow, okay, and list again, list style none. Copy that. So we do light height should be header height. Okay, so now we do should be the center. So and I want to give it some padding between the user picture and the button. Alright, actually you can do okay, so in padding, right, top 0, right 0, so left and right should be 10 pixels. Okay, so much better. So give its font bigger. For example, I want to give this. Okay, font weight. For example, 6 or 600. Okay, so have font weight. No, sorry. I mismatched. 600. Okay, what's up? Alright. Submitted. And so remove that. So sign this to. Okay, looks not bad. So we have a link, alright. Okay, so we done this, and I need to remove the background color, and so now we need to remove background color. Okay, so now it look better. Okay, so actually you can do, we have a sign in button. I want to open a new pop-up for sign in form. All right, so I want to add a new component, a by component. All right, use a form. Oh, let me just login the say yeah. Okay, login the say yeah. So alright, we do import class, import default class. Alright, let's login form Ep10, right, component. So also we need to import React, right, component from React. Okay, so that we do have a render function and return a layer. Return the div last name equal app form app login form, right, app login form. And so actually can do date last name app login form inner, right, so undo login form. Yeah, okay, so now we need to import to this, right, friends, top bar. And so actually can do login form. So we need to import login form from component and login, right? It's a login. Now we can open this login form. Okay, so login form here. So actually I want to open up the login form on the right side or right side. So we can do this. Login form. Right, so in the app, I want to do this app login form. Now take a look at login form component login. So login app login form. I want to give its background red. It's for easy to test, make a test. You can see login form. And so login form, I want to give citizenship fixed and right equal 0 and throw 0. Now we can do min width, right, 30 pixel and bottom 0. Okay, so I want to do that. So when we open the pop-up, and you can see it's looking on the right hand. So I give it some Z index. Okay, alright. So here is the login form I want to do to implement this on. So actually I want to give background color equal white. Okay, so we see. Right, this is square. And now we do design and login. So alright, deep. So I to like this. It's two. Right. So sign. Okay, we sign, and so now we do a form. Sorry, this open. Yes, open form. Now do the last name equal form item, and so we have a label, and the right email, and we have an input. Try actually you can do input equal email. So we do have a name, email, okay, and so give an input ID, so email ID. So now we do add HTML form, right? So equal email ID, right? So let's take a look. All right, we have a sign button. I want to give an app from inner, give it some, all right, some padding, right, for 40 pixel. All right, so give it some percent app form item, actually app form item. Right, so we'll see sign in, app form item, email, and the sign in should be h2 last name equal, all right, form title. So now give a form title a bit, see that. So we can do after that, so max padding 20 pixel, and left right should be 0, and so give a font size about 25 pixel, and font weight should be about this. Alright, oh, actually even 6, and touch a line with channel. Alright, display should be blocked. Okay, now the sign button should be bigger. Right, form title, login form. Okay, I'll say that. Now you see it, right, sign button. Cool. So I want to give us email. Okay, so we do that. Right, try. And we need to modify an app form item a bit. Our app form item, and give a type equal text, and also I want to copy that because we have a new type equal is email on actually type equal password, right? So input should be has match type. Now with the right, cool. So refresh. Now we do. Okay, so now I want to give it some more feel by I want to copy this. Let's copy that and remove as we password. All right, passwords ID, also window passwords ID, and the title should be password. Name equal password, and so we have placeholder equal, right, so password, and it should be the same placeholder and your email address, right? So now we, all right, so I need to modify label a bit, password, and also we do have a form button, app form action. So now we do have a, all right, so we have a button, last name equal app button, right, primary button, sign, right, give it is sign. Cool. And look cool. Okay, so we have, and the next thing we need to do, add some last name equal login form, or actually you can do Alright, up from description to description. So add some description to or sign up. Also we have a button. Right, so we do have a button or sign up. What you can do, don't have an account, sign up. So actually we don't have a primary, remove primary. So okay, so we have sign in and sign up. Sign in and sign up, don't have a account, we do add to span. Or actually you can add it to deep button, deep tag. So alright, so don't have an account and form. So get back to login form. So we do have a button. So we had some marking 10 pixel 0 and it's only marking top and bottom. Alright, I don't think that, I think it's form action. Alright, form action, so we have a choose 2 button. Right, so now we do, and right now we can do take a line center. So I want to detect should be a center. Okay, so it does. So now refresh up. Now you can see that is the form is always to show up, but I don't want to show it up, or I want to add some close button. Okay, so we need to have a close button or close button right now. Dismiss button is, I think it's on top, but for now I just want to add some alright button. So I can give it last name equal dismiss button, dismiss button, close, and dismiss button, login form and add dismiss button. So we do have a login form. I want to alright. So actually I want to give under this. So we have a login form inner. Like login form inner with position should be related, and so now we can add some should add for right should be up this mid button. I only want to add copy class name only, so position should be for absolute and right should be 0, top 0. Now you can see that how it works. Close button it should be on top, and actually I want to give it some pixel like 20 pixel and top and 20 pixel. So give it some pixel, right? So we have close button. At the next time we can add some icon to make it look better, but for now I want to use close button. So right, we get back to our application. So I don't want the login form is showing up when the app start. So basically I want to give it to get back to index form. So I very simply can do this state. Right, this state equal so login form for. So we can do that by now we can do course from equal this state. Alright, so now when we detect our login form, we show login form, and all the while we don't show anything, just show the null. Alright, now you can do show login form. Alright, my mistake, sorry. Okay, so you app refresh, so you don't see anymore. Okay, so now, so my problem is how when we click sign in button right here, so we show up, so on the login form. No, it's toolbar. Right now in the toolbar, I want to add some. Alright, sign in. I can do that by sign in. Right, user menu sign in. Last name, we add some last name. Go. Okay. Users sign in button. Sign in button. Right. So let's give it some seed ad by right position or cursor is pointer. And now you can do it by on click equal. Now should be an arrow function. So on just click. So we're gonna do this if this prop dot on login on show login form, right? So now we can do this prop dot on show login form true, right? So we can do that. So how we use this prop function? So inside index, now on toolbar we do have on show login form equal, right? You can do even. Now you can see. Now I'm going to console log here. Console log. Hey, even should be so even should be showing up true because we pass variable equal true. So now you can see in my console log I clear that, and now you can I hit click a even 2 and 1 again, so 2 and show it to y. So now in the toolbar I want to show it a text by please open login form. Okay, so now let's make a test again. Okay, first thing I clear console log to easy to reach. Now what's hey even I play open login form. So what doesn't matter? We don't need any variable for now. I can open 2. So in index 1 this one we get an even index. So actually we don't need even. Now we set state, set state. So change state true, and now you can see when the set change to, and this login form will be shown up in the render function. Now we can see, right, click that, right, you can see the login form is show up, and click cloud, we don't see anything, right? Cloud. All right, cloud party. Well, I think we can give her that index. Now I will do. Right, now I can click to close button. So now, and the next thing we need to do implement close is dismiss button. So on the login form, close toolbar anymore, and login form, where we on click this. On click should be an arrow function, right? If this prop on hi. We'll do that. Or actually we can do on close. So now we can do this prop on close and true. Right now we don't need any more function. So next time we can pass on close with the user account information, but for now we don't need it. So inside login form we can do on close. So array, I'm going to use the array function, so we'll do on close. We need to copy that, but in this case we set state to show login form equal 4. So that means the login form no more appear. Okay, one more time I need to make a test. Sign in button, and now I click close. Now we see click on close button. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. The next video I'm going to implement the sign in and sign up. Okay, see you next time. Bye.